Welcome. In this lesson, we will write a JavaScript function that capitalizes the first letter of each word in a sentence. It is a simple but useful string formatting technique. We'll use split, add to uppercase, and join to accomplish this. Let's walk through how it works step by step. We want to take a lowercase sentence and return a version where every word starts with a capital letter. The input will be a string, and the output will be a formatted version of it. This pattern is useful in formatting names, titles, or headlines. Let's move on to the code that gets it done. First, we split the string into an array of words using split. Then, for each word, we capitalize the first character and keep the rest as is. We push these updated words into a new array. Finally, we join the array back into a single string with spaces in between. Here's a breakdown of what's happening under the hood. We've extracted each word, capitalized the first letter, and rebuilt it. We then collect all the updated words and join them together again. The result is a nicely formatted sentence with each word capitalized. Let's take a look at a few examples. We start with lowercase sentences like hello world or JavaScript string task. After running them through the function, each word begins with an uppercase letter. This approach works well with any sentence where words are separated by spaces. Capitalizing each word is handy in a variety of applications. It improves the appearance of names, addresses, or headlines. You'll often find it used in chat apps or form inputs. This makes your user-facing content feel cleaner and more professional. We've successfully created a function to title case a string in JavaScript. It is simple and effective for any text formatting need. Try adapting this for title casing, sentences, paragraphs, or dynamic inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.